This is the fourth video from section 1.1, and in this video we're going to practice using the distance formula. And so example 3 is fairly straightforward. Find the distance between the 2 points. So we simply plug the points into the distance formula. So we have 1 minus -1 quantity squared, -1 minus 6 quantity squared, and 3 minus 2 quantity squared. And so we have 2 squared plus 7 squared plus 1 squared. So we have the square root of 54. The square root of 54 simplifies to 3 times the square root of 6. For the second one, we have a triangle, and these are the vertices. Part A is to find the perimeter of the triangle. So we start by finding the side lengths. So I'm not going to go through the distance formula 3 more times. This is Calc 3, not Algebra 1. So I'm going to trust that you can handle the distance formula here. So the side lengths of the triangle, so we use the distance formula 3 times. We have 3 square root of 3, which is a square root of 27. That'll come in handy a little bit later. Square root of 14 and the square root of 17. These are our side lengths. The perimeter is simply the sum of the 3 sides. Part B asks, is our triangle a right triangle? And the answer is no, by the Pythagorean theorem. If it were a right triangle, we would have a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. But 14 plus 17 is not equal to 27. This is where it was handy to know that this was the square root of 27. So a squared plus b squared should equal c squared if we have a right triangle, but since that's not the case, we do not have a right triangle. And so the answer is no, by the Pythagorean theorem.